In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom favicon to your website using Webflow. This little icon might seem like a minor detail, but it plays a big part in your site's branding and can make your website look more professional. We'll walk through the steps to create, upload, and publish your favicon, making your website's appearance more cohesive and complete. First, let's talk about preparing your favicon image. You want your favicon to be identifiable and consistent with your overall branding. The standard size for a favicon image is 32 by 32 pixels, so make sure you create or resize your image to these dimensions. This ensures it will appear crisp and clear in the browser tab. Once you've got your image ready, save it in a common file type like PNG or JPG. These formats keep your image quality intact, which is essential when your favicon is displayed at such a small size. Now, it's time to dive into Webflow. Head over to your Webflow dashboard to locate your project. You can find the project by scanning through your project listings. When you identify the right one, look for the three-dot menu on the project thumbnail. By clicking this, you'll open up additional options. From here, select Settings. Alternatively, you might spot a cog icon directly on the project thumbnail, which you can click to get to the same place. This step ensures you're accessing the right project you want to update with a favicon. Once you're in the project settings, navigate to the General tab. This is where a lot of the foundational settings for your project are located. Scroll down until you find the Icons section. Here, you'll see an option to upload your favicon. Click the Upload button next to the favicon field. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to navigate to the image file you prepared earlier. Select your image file, and it will upload to Webflow, showing you a preview so you can be sure you've got the right one. With your favicon uploaded, you're almost done. The last step is to publish your changes. Look to the top right corner of the settings page for the Publish button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to publish to selected domains. Choose the appropriate options for your website's domains. This process ensures that every visitor to your site will see your new favicon. Once your site is published, go ahead and check your Sites tab in your browser. If the favicon doesn't show up immediately, you might need to perform a hard refresh of your page or clear your web browser's cache. This helps your browser recognize and display the updated favicon. And there you have it. You've successfully added a custom favicon to your Webflow website. This small but important detail can make a big difference in how professional and polished your website appears to your audience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to enhance your web projects.